Today we're going to attempt to build a homemade pull-up bar for the condo. Stick around to see till the end if it's going to be a complete fail or not. But for now, let's go get the supplies. So we have one of the engineer masterminds behind this little project with me today, doing a little update of where we're at so far. So let's look at it. The concept is what you see over here. It has to be completely removable. So he can remove it and it's neat and clean in his apartment. He uses it only when he wants to. What we're looking at is hooks that are gonna hook onto each other on an anchor that is fixed in the ceiling, and the bar that is removable from the hooks whenever he wants to. The concept works except for the last part over here. That's the anchor support. We're having trouble with that right now because we realized that it's not strong enough to support the impact that you put onto the bar when you pull yourself. We're gonna revise this part with a plate and 2 anchors instead of 1. You're gonna like it. This is installation day. Do not do this at home.
All right, let's see what we got. We have our old anchors right here that we're not gonna use. Old anchors, a new anchor with an expansion piece here. As you screw it in, this is gonna open up in the concrete. We have a bunch of links, swap them in and out. We'll be able to customize the bar attachments however we like. We have the final link here. Anchor plate, the bar is gonna be held by this basically. So this is our first iteration of the bar. We will most likely have a bunch of these. We'll see what works, what doesn't work, but this is attempt number 1 with the bar.
The equipment we need to install the anchors are this bad boy. It's a hammer drill for concrete. We have a hammer to hammer in the anchor and then twist the nut so that the anchor stands in the concrete, and that's about it.
So it's gonna look something like this.
Alright folks, the bar has been set into place, ready for use.
So you wanna go first? I wanna go first? I'm not sure I wanna go first. I don't know if my professional insurance kicked in yet. Rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors. I'm going.
So good, honestly.
Good.
Nice!
Let's go!
Prototype number 1 works, no problems. Anchors are perfect. The links are perfect. We have a few things that we have to change.
We're gonna work on the bar. We're probably gonna get a bar that's a bit more sturdy, that's not gonna bend. We're gonna paint the whole thing black. So more work to come. This is just step 1.
Maybe like step 4.
Or no, maybe step 15. We'll see you for step 16, 17.
But what happened? What happened to the bar?
Well, someone had the brilliant idea to box with this bar, so
Yeah.
basically tied
We hang the punching bag on it,
Yeah.
which is 70 pounds?
100 something?
100 pounds? What the f? Yeah, so, yeah.
but this was a success.
So this is temporarily fixed and we're gonna get a new replacement bar soon, right?
Exactly.
Having thoroughly tested the first iteration of the bar, we've had some strength complications. So it was time to move on to phase 2. What we did is we got a new bar, and also these are the old hooks. We got some beefier hooks. So as you can see, this is the new bar. Much thicker, also easier to grip, and it's definitely not gonna bend. And we also got some thicker hooks over here. We're taking this one through its paces right now to make sure everything's safe and ergonomically correct. And then after that, we'll make it nice and pretty, probably paint it all a nice satin black finish, and we'll show you when we get to that part. This is the old one, just to compare to the girthier new one. Alright, so newer, heavier bar has been tested, everything works perfectly. Time for the finishing touches.
Painting it up all black. I'm gonna put it all together again. Smooth.
And there you have it. This is the final result. I'm very happy with it. I think it looks super cool. It's very sturdy, passes all of the safety requirements. Let us know your thoughts if you think we did a good job, what we could have improved perhaps. And if you enjoyed the video, of course, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.